Now the first Young Alumni Award recipient for 2013. Will Farnia, Fresnel, and Harris Romanoff please come to the podium?
So I must admit, I'm a little bit nervous to be standing here in front of you all tonight. Not so much because I'm fearful of public speaking, but because I'm fearful that I will fail to effectively convey to you all just how extraordinary Farnia is, while at the same time attempting to adhere to the very strongly recommended 200-word limit. And having said that, I have only now 140 words left. This is why I do not tweet that much. So allow me to share with you just one story that I think exemplifies who Farnia is and how she approaches life. For many years, the Engineering Alumni Society has helped out with career night programs for our students. And while we, the Alumni Society, certainly always participated enthusiastically, we didn't realize all that these programs could become. Well, then Farnia took the helm. Instead of one career panel that attempted to be all things to all students, she innovated and orchestrated 3 programs back to back to back, from biotech to non-traditional engineering paths to all the tried and true career opportunities in between. Farnia made sure that there was something for every student. And on top of it all, she brilliantly, and I might add quite entertainingly, moderated each of them. The programs were standing room only, and the students were ecstatic. Farnia truly has the ability to turn anything she touches into gold, because she pours her vivacity, her intelligence, her creativity, and her passion into all that she does. From serving as vice president at one of the world's most respected financial firms, to serving as one of the Engineering Alumni Society's finest presidents, to serving as sponsorship chair of the hugely successful Penn Spectrum, to now starting her own strategic business consultancy. Her achievements are extraordinary because Farnia Fresnel, in a word, is sensational. Farnia, on behalf of the university community, we thank you very much for your outstanding contributions to Penn these past 15 years. We cannot wait to see what you'll turn to gold in the next 15. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to introduce to you Farnia Fresnel, recipient of Penn's 2013 Young Alumni Award.
Wow. Thank you, Harris. This is amazing. I get to stand here in front of a group that largely represents almost everything that is important to me. It would have been perfect if my 88-pound Labrador were here too, but he didn't get an invitation. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you to Penn for providing ample opportunity for me to give of my time and my talent. The fact that I'm here today accepting this award means that something I've done has been impactful and that my presence resonates to forward-thinking administration like the visionary Dean Glant, Cora Ingram, Rosette Pine, Hoops, Elise, and their teams, resonates to my Penn alumni peers in the Engineering Alumni Society, the Multicultural Outreach Committee, the regional clubs, resonates, most importantly, to the students that maybe I've mentored or coached or encouraged. I'm humbled. I'm humbled to have been selected among the arsenal of engaged, dedicated Penn alumni volunteers. And lastly, I'm grateful that the seeds of volunteerism planted by my family have sprouted into this. So I want to say thank you to the Awards and Resolutions Committee, the administration, my friends, family, mentors, and my God. Thank you.